Well, here it is, just arrived from Amazon. We'll go ahead and install it. There's the brand, toilet seat bumpers. That's the instructions, of course. This is the round bumpers. Tells you to try these on first because they might work out of the box. But if not, you have thinner ones here you can try. And also make sure, there's basically 3 types of bottom toilet seats. Let me show you. But I just finished cleaning the toilet. It's filling up, cleaned it, sanitized it. This is my second bidet, love it. Bought the same brand. But anyways, I needed, as you can see, it tilts. It's high here, and then it flattens out here. And anyways, it's damaged the front bumpers because all the weight is going to the front. And then of course it bends this. So there's 3 types of toilet seats. I figured out mine is called tilted. There's a flat toilet. That's where it's just flat across. Tilted, which is this, as you can see here. It's at an angle, high on the right, and then it drops down to the left. So, and then the other type of toilet is a radiant. And the radiant has more of a curve to it. A much more of a curve than this. This is tilted. So I cleaned it all up, let it dry. We're gonna go ahead and follow the instructions. First thing I did was I found a spot. You want to dry fit it. Put the lid down and feel underneath where it makes contact. You don't want to put it too far out here where it just hangs over the opening. So so I found a really good spot because I dry fitted it. It was right here. I got it upside down right now so it doesn't stick. And when I set this down, I can use the back. This is a backstop, and it keeps it flush. Do not put it like this because this is a tilted. It's angled, slightly angled. So if you put it like this, this is not going to make full contact. Only one side of it, this side will, and this side might most likely pop off. So I found the best fit for me was just putting it up against the corner like this. And so it comes with 2 or 3 of these. These are adhesive primer. I guess it's supposed to clean and prime it. I don't know if it's still good because it feels, it smells like, well, it smells like primer, but it's dry. So we're going to go ahead and just, I already took the sticker off, the adhesion, and we're just going to place it up against it. Hold it down just like that. And go ahead and close the lid. You can see there. See? So if I put some weight on it, it's hitting the bumper. So I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side. These just pop off. So this is the thicker piece is what comes with it. Just like that out of the bag. And you can just pop them off. And this is the thinner version. So there's the thick one, thinner version. And then you got the same thing with the round ones. You have thinner versions, top-wise. Just fiddle around with them, see which fits best for you. This is the primer. The one I already opened seemed dry, so I don't know if it's supposed to be dry or a little wet, like a wet nappy. Like a wet wipe, it wasn't. It was dry. So let's go ahead and proceed with the front part of the... it comes with extra, just in case something happens and this pops off. They give you 3 extra of the rectangular ones and 2 of the round ones. All we're going to do is just place it right in the corner here. Hold it down for a few seconds. I got 2 of the wide ones at the back, and then I switched out these, the 2 in the front, with a thinner rubber piece. Now what's going to happen is the back is going to stick up. Let's see here. So we got it's perfect right here. Not a big gap. I don't want a big gap. If you use the bidet, you might have water squirting out, which that's a big no-no. So you want some protection. Now, the back here, as you can see, I'm hoping I have this. I'm doing this all with my phone. There's a little bit of a gap. No biggie. because once you sit down, that gap is gone. That gap is gone. But it's doing its job. It's not being held by the weight up against this part, which that's where all the weight was going to, and the front. But yeah, 4 might be good enough. I don't know. I'm using 5, 2 in the back with the thick pads, and then the other 3 are just the thinner pads. I wish the white part of it, some of them were a little thinner or not as thick. But yeah, I put 1 in the front. Look at that. Now, if you're not sitting on it, there's a gap. No biggie. It's just not that. It's not that much. But once you sit down, see if I can get this in view there. See, I got a full contact all the way around. That's it. Wanted to finish this video off. It's been 4 days because I was reading some reviews where some of these pads were falling off, the entire thing. The stickers were not that good, the glue, whatever. If you're interested in this, the information will be down below. There's the name right there, Hibent. So anyways, just wanted to show you, wrap this video up. I was cleaning the toilet and stuff and spraying it. I've sprayed it with Lysol, so that hasn't seemed to affect it. But yeah, 4 days now, no issues. I installed it parallel and not across, not against it, especially because this is a tilted, as you can see, it's tilted. If I was to put it across, only one side would make contact, causing the other side to pop off. So yeah, I just wanted to finish this video off and let you know everything's working. Not one of them popped off. And like I say, I've sprayed Lysol and I use bleach. I've been bleaching everything, you know, with everything that's going on. Just trying to keep everything sanitized. But yeah, that's it. If you see this on Amazon, please give it a thank you, or what is it called? Helpful. I'd appreciate it. Hopefully this helps with your purchase. You guys have a good day. Bye-bye.